Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your balance to left or right speaker or a headphone on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit and go to accessibility. Tap on accessibility, swipe down again and go to audio and visual. So tap on audio and visual. Once you're here, on the bottom you're going to find the setting that is called balance. So you can adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels, or the left or right headphone or left or right speaker. So if you're going to move to the right, the 60% more of the audio, the louder audio is going to get to the right, and if you move to the left, this is going to be like, let's say 60 again. 60% is going to be more on the left channel. So let's say that you're listening on headphones, so it means that for now with this setting, the left headphone is going to be 30% louder, and now the right is going to be 49% louder. So this is it. This is how you can set up the balance for channels on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!